Well, there's a lot of forensics suggesting that I was, in his house. The evidence is very compelling, but none of it proves that I committed a murder. None of it proves that I committed a crime. What it does substantiate is what I did tell detectives.
Some people are taken with the defendant's baby face and soft-spoken nature, but Graham Winch, you spoke to the sister of the victim, and she described something else in court. Eye contact. Tell us.
Right. She stares Tanisha down and the other family members and smiles at them. Tanisha says it seems like, she's mocking the whole situation, and she knows that she's going to get off. It's really unbelievable that she behaves like that in court.
Joey Jackson, are there head games that a defendant can play that might influence the trial? Just expressions, dress, attitude, voice?
Well, you know what, Jane? What you always instruct as a defense attorney is for your client to be on their best of behaviors, right? And that means that they're going to respect the decorum and the atmosphere of the court. They're not going to look at anyone. They're not going to play head games. They're not going to smile. They're not going to smirk. They're not going to frown. They're not going to react to testimony. They're going to come. They're going to be professional. They're going to look presentable, and they're going to look and listen to the trial. And so if she's doing that, I think that it certainly hinders her opportunity to get a trial, because jurors are watching you, Jane, at all times.
And Shanna Hogan, again, you've studied this case, you've studied this defendant. You have talked to me about her sort of, there's a charming or manipulative or charismatic nature?
Definitely. She comes across soft-spoken. She comes across genuine, but it really is, when you know what the facts behind the case and when you know what she's suspected of doing, it's really, it's eerie, because someone could act one way and be capable of such vicious crime.